hello, namaste. Welcome to Tuesdays with me, with Neeti. I hope you all are doing really good. And today is not morning, today is evening, and I am here in my balcony as usual. And I hope there is no thakam thuki going on today. So here I am going to answer a few more questions of yours. It's going to get lesser because it gets too long episode. But all of you requesting for a blog, I am shooting it, and it will be out very soon. So hello. Okay, let's start our segment. We'll be very quiet. Okay. So you know what I did? I actually I thought I pressed the record button, but I never did. And मैंने already segment कर लिया था, but वापस करते हैं. चलिए. Okay. What type of hairs you like the most? Any favorite actor you want to work, actress you want to work? Okay, let me just start with starting. Okay, what type of hair do I like? I like braids, a lot of braids, and my mom doesn't know how to do braids. This is what I also know, so this is what I do to myself. Okay, any favorite actress you would like to work in future with? I don't mind working with anyone. Everyone's a delight. Everyone is good in their own way, so good. Do you watch KYY on Amazon MTV? Do you like? Okay, I have watched KYY on Voot. Do you like heels or shoes? I like shoes. Every time flat, I hate wearing heels. Which is your favorite snack? I love chips. Masala Magic is my favorite. And popcorn. I think it's getting lengthy. Okay. Next, where do you see tailor-made stories in coming year? So where do I see tailor-made stories in the coming year? I see it. I hope it becomes bigger and it really, like khil ke bahar aa jaye. I only hope that, because literally I have to think, I have to strategize. I sometimes edit, and it's a lot of work, and I'm trying and putting my love and heart to it. And sometimes when it, like I just get like 9k likes on a video and I'm like, yaar itni mehnat ki. And I always see other people like मतलब वो भी दिल से ही करते होंगे, but they get more. That's what I'm saying. I am always slow and steady, and I'll be there only. So I just hope it does well. Yeah, I can just be positive. Okay, so what are some undefined rules that you like to follow and have no expectation? Doing things for people. I love doing it, and I do it with all my heart and soul, and I never expect it back. I don't. And I do a lot, and I know that, but I do it dil se, so it's okay. Then we have you ever ate a chewing gum in class and sticked it under the desk? Class I don't remember, but restaurants and movie theaters, yes. Sorry. Don't judge me. Okay, when was your first fan encounter? During it's been so many years, so I don't remember, but Gulal जो मैंने किया था Star Plus पे when I was छोटू सू. Then we used to travel in train to Naigaon. So then they recognized me in the train. So that was like very big thing for me. Where did you meet your bestie Ananya? I threw a birthday party for a common friend, her best friend, my very good friend. I threw a birthday party. जिसका birthday party था वो उसकी friend थी, and we both just clicked and we clicked on how single we are, just by the way. Okay, who is your favorite contestant of Bigg Boss till now? When will you make a dance video? Please tell someone to collaborate with me. Who's your favorite contestant of Bigg Boss? Rakhi is like, I like her. I like Rahul Reddy also sometimes. I like Ali also sometimes. It keeps changing, but Rakhi entertain करती है. वो जैसी है वो Rakhi Sawant है. So she's crazy, but that's why I started watching Bigg Boss, like I said before. So yeah. Okay. So have you ever fought with Parikshit Jiju? If yes, who says sorry first? Of course, he says sorry first. I'm very bad with this, but he always apologizes, even if it's my fault. It's a very good plus point. Your next travel destination is going to be Goa in May. He's going to get a holiday, and I want to go to Goa to a beach, because I have not been on a holiday for the longest time. Beach is my place, and we can't go international, so we will go domestic to my favorite place. Okay, ever caught by a police? Yeah, I am not me as normal, Neeti, but just driving जा रहे हो फिर भैया ने wrong turn ले लिया something like that. Then परीक्षिता and I also we went once एक गलत turn ले लिया था. So then the police stopped and then Parikshit used his army card. He uses his army thing more than I use my actor thing. Just by the way, selfie or front camera? Selfie. Your favorite outfit? Pajamas. Have you ever went for night party with Jeej? Of course I have, and I love night parties. And with him, so I'm not been out for. It's going to be a year now. I went in Feb last year, Jan only. उसके बाद कहाँ पार्टी वार्टी तो कोरोना था नहीं गए शादी के बाद भी कोरोना ना and he's little very particular about corona and also yeah okay. Which is your favorite part of the day? It's morning because I like to finish all my work. And did you watch KY 123? Yes, I have on Root. And favorite Big Boss contestant? It's Rakhi because she's so entertaining and it's fun to watch her, and that's why I was watching Big Boss when she came. Okay. So there's a thin line between wanting to know about your favorite star and invading their privacy. Where do you think we as fans and reporters cross the line? And how necessary is it to understand this thing and let people be? It's very very necessary because sometimes you don't want to tell anything to anyone, and it's not because you don't want to share it, it's because you also consider nazar a thing, and that's me. I really like nazar lag jayegi, ye nahi karte, wo nahi karte, and I don't like to brag about things which have not happened yet or which are going to happen and let it happen. Ek to वैसे भी I keep forcing my luck, so I am very scared कि this shouldn't, उसको कुछ नजर नहीं लगनी चाहिए वरना ये भी चला जाएगा हाथ से. I am like that. So I think a lot of people, like if you comment about something, then reporters will come and ask, oh, why did you comment? And then there are fans asking, and then they're trolling you for this. It happens a lot. Let's do Truth and Dare episode. How will I do Dare, guys? I'm not going to sit at home and do Dare. Sorry. Okay. Is acting a risky profession? What is your opinion, and what do actors do when they aren't appointed? Acting is a risky profession because sometimes you have work, sometimes you don't have. You're sitting at home for a week, you're sitting home for 2 months, you're sitting home for 2 years, 1 year, anything can happen. So a backup plan is, I think, very very necessary. Don't completely depend because एक शो खत्म होता है उसके बाद भी होना चाहिए, unless you're like a super hit actor. Yeah, okay. What do actors do when they aren't appointed? I don't know. I got married when I was on a appointed any show, so I don't know about the others. A fun game, okay. Bol do, okay. Hey Neeti, fun game. Name one person that comes to your mind when you hear these songs. Bol do na zara dil mein hai. This is for Nugget. Inna Sona for my husband. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, for me, because I keep singing this song, I love it. Nazar na laye na manan. Okay, being a celebrity, how did you decide to take a courageous step to marry an army person? Completely different profession. How do you manage your life? We are so proud and for this courageous move in your life. I married him for who he is and for what the person that he is, for person he is, not for what work he does. I think अगर वो कुछ भी काम करता ज़िंदगी में, क्योंकि वो बंदा ही इतना अच्छा है, तो मुझे उससे प्यार है, तो इसलिए मैंने उससे शादी की. So it's not because of what he does. So not at all. What type of clothes do I like to wear? Pajamas and shorts. Okay. Were you ever scared that he's in the army and it's risky somewhere? Of course, I have been very very scared because there was a time for 3-4 months the news was so bad and he was somewhere there and it was crazy. There was no contact and it was so scary. I was just praying for him to be alive, for him to be safe, for him to be healthy. We have been through that rough patch and it's been crazy, and that's when he decided over there. I decided ki let's just get married because we can't take this anymore. Like, I want to spend time with him. I want to, even if I get 2 days, 3 days, I will run back to him. So I just want to also say iske saath that I salute all the army wives. Salute you guys because we do so much, we go through so much, we see so much, and we cannot discuss this with anyone. We can't tell it to anyone, and we have to be so strong for them because they, at the end, when they come home, they need to see us smiling and being strong so that they get it from us. So hats off to all of us. We know that we are doing our best and हमारे जैसा कोई नहीं है. कोई नहीं. So with this, I'm ending this segment, and I hope you like this. Please give it a lot of thumbs up because I make so many episodes, but इतने likes नहीं आते हैं, and I think I should reduce. And so many times I keep thinking about all the things that I can do for you guys. It takes a lot of thinking, and it's all done with my heart and my soul. And Tailor Made Stories is all about me. It's me doing the camera work, me putting files, and that I don't have a team behind me. So I just want to say that please shower your love. It's genuine and it's me, and it's purely all love for you all. So I hope like अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं होती तो मैं फिर भी YouTube start करती आप सबको थोड़ा influence करने के लिए in a very positive and a good way. Also let me know what next segments do you want to do with me, and even for Tailor Made Stories, do let me know what all I can do. And yes, one more thing before I leave. Please, Parikshit का birthday आ रहा है. Let me know what I can do for him. I need to do something very different for him. So please comment below and suggest to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And please सबको भेजो, सबको बोलो subscribe करने के लिए. I'm like this race में the slowest out of all. I start also late. Please, I need all your love, so shower all your love to me. And this is me signing out, and this is us. 1 minute. Okay, so bye. Thank you so much. Lots of love. See you next Tuesday.